Yeah, hey, this is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a 2022 Shasta 26DB. Features of this unit, well, first off, we'll start out with specs. It's coming in at a dry weight of 5,318. Total length, including hitch, is 31 foot 8 inches. This is going to sleep, you're going to be up to 6 to 8 people very comfortably. This features one single slide out, a front queen bedroom with a double over double bunks. Nice thing about Shasta is it's slam packed with features. It's got a flip up storage rack on the back, has a really residential light wood on the interior and everything as well. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2022 Shasta 26DB. It's just starting up front. It's got a nice aggressive front end with the white exterior. Shasta's been in business for over 80 years. They're made by Forest River. Going to be a really good unit as far as give you a ton of space. This particular floor plan is going to feature a single slide. You're going to have double over double bunks. You're going to have a front queen bedroom, so plenty of places for people to sleep. As we move down the side of the coach, you're going to notice you've got a power tongue jack up front. This particular model has an awesome pass-through storage. Closed off, got the LED lights underneath. As you keep coming down, come standard with your solid steps, power awning, LED lights under the steps. You're going to feature everything's basically located for your water outlets and everything right here, your water heater. This does have 2 entries, one into the bath, one into the living area, so you're not tracking in and out the unit all the time and getting dirt all the way through the unit. You can just go right to the bathroom, come back out, especially with kids and everything. And then another big feature on the back here is it has backup camera prep with a flip down rack. So that rack comes down so you can put like firewood, coolers, bikes and stuff. And then it does have a propane disconnect down below for your Blackstones, your different griddles and accessories as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move on the inside and we'll go through all the features on the inside as well. Okay, coming into the main entry into the living room, you're going to come right to your entertainment center. It's back for a TV, so you can put your own TV. It's already back to screw into for your bracket. Plug right in up top. It does come with your sound bar. Plenty of storage down below. Right here's where your AC and your furnace thermostat is. And as you move across here, you're going to see you've got your sofa. And then as you keep going, we'll show you the rest as we keep going back. Coming over here, as we move back to the rear of the coach, you get in your slide outs, you got your dinette with your sofa, your double over double bunk beds. It does have USB ports on the top and the bottom for the different devices. As you come across, you're going to have your pantry. You've got a big pantry right next to the right of your refrigerator. You've got your residential fridge. You have your microwave, range fan, blue LED backlit knobs for your 3-burner cooktop, which does have a glass cover to give you more counter space. You do have tons of storage underneath, so you've got your pull-out drawers, 3 right here, and then you'll have other storage down below here as well. It does have a residential faucet with an undermount 2-bowl stainless steel sink. As you look up above, you're going to notice it has a residential feel. I love the backsplash too, how they've got that modern look backsplash. It does have the glass inserts with the backsplash all the way up. Just gives you a really residential modern feel, especially with the lighter cabinets and everything too. Next, we'll take a look at the bathroom. Okay, as we come into the bathroom, you're going to notice you've got your sink with the storage below. As you come up above the sink, you're going to have a medicine cabinet with your mirror. You've got your second entry as we move over. And you're going to have a big stand-up shower with a skylight up above. Gives you a ton of room, plenty of space there. Then as you come down, you're going to see you've got your toilet, which lines up directly with the door, which gives you plenty of leg room as well. Next, we'll go to the bedroom. Okay, moving into the front bedroom, you're going to notice you've got a full walk-around bed. You've got hanging closets on both sides of the bed. Up above your head, you're going to have 2 storage compartment doors there for plenty of space. This does feature 2 pocket doors to close off the bedroom from the living area as well. Again, my name's Mitch Eilerman. Thank you for going through this Shasta with me today. This was the 26DB. If you've got any questions at all, you can reach me directly. My direct phone number is 937 843-4380. I'm with RV Wholesalers. We've got locations now in Texas, and then we've got 3 locations here in Ohio, in Mansfield, Lakeview, and now Delaware as well. So we'd love to help you out. We've got a great team. We'd love to take care of you, and I appreciate you coming in and walking through this with me on the video today. Thank you.